I'm here at Personal Music about to record our new theme song for the new TV show, Ted Vernon's South Beach Classics. Still the same show, a little bit different name. I still have the greatest cars, and I'm still Ted. My whole band is here. We're ready to rock and roll. It's gonna kick, it's gonna be good. Rock and roll.
We got the team on the lot and we are on the run. Hanging with my band is a lots of fun, and we know what it takes to be number one. We're just out here in the Florida sun.
Well, I was pretty nervous with the recording today because I'm a little bit hoarse, and I was nervous, but it seems to be coming along quite well. Our lead guitar player was with Miami Sound Machine. Our drummer was with Jimmy Buffett. And Michael Washington, our bass player, played with James Brown. The young lady, Melissa, is brilliant. Keyboard player, it's his band, was a punt returner for the Kansas City Chiefs. It's Paul's band. He actually thinks he's the boss, but I am. That's the way it is.
South Beach Classics.
I work all day, and then at night I go play rock and roll music, and I like to entertain people, and I get it done. We finished recording. It's the end of the day. We came in here today with 2 songs to do. We cranked them both out. I thought we'd be here till midnight, but we're out of here by 6. The band was perfect, and we all got together and sang the choruses together, and knowing each other that well, it sort of kind of works out.
I just want those shiny car keys.
So we open the show and then we're done.
Listen, guys, you've been such great fans, and I really appreciate it. We're coming back with a new show. Season 5 of Ted Vernon's South Beach Classics is coming right away. It's going to be different. We got some surprises. Stay tuned.
Ted Vernon's South Beach Classics. Woo!